Patients often ask us, how do I know if I'm a candidate for your treatment option, and what is an oral appliance for sleep apnea? Well, chances are if you've been prescribed a CPAP that you're unable to use, it's claustrophobic, you don't like the hose and mask, you don't like the air blowing in your face, that you'd be a great candidate for an oral appliance. Our custom fit, comfortable, FDA-approved oral appliances help open your airway and stop your snoring and sleep apnea while you're sleeping. We always offer a complimentary initial consultation to answer any of your questions and to discuss if you are a candidate for this treatment option. So give us a call today, because your life is better with a great night's sleep.